Hello, I am Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the AnalyticKit Web3 tool, uh, total token transfer value. We will see how to use this graph and what you can analyze from this graph. So one of the main purpose of the total token transfer value graph is that you can use it to identify how much token that has been transferred, and also what are all the different the values that's been transferred between different tokens. Say you have running a marketing campaign for a initial coin offering project. In that project, you want to identify how many visitors are visiting your website and how many visitors are ultimately converting into actual customers by buying the tokens, whatever you are selling. Uh, you can able to use that data that we collect from Ethereum blockchain and do in-depth analysis on those tokens, and also the token value, how much they transferred between their friends and relatives from their wallet to somebody else's wallet. All these informations you can able to identify using this tool. See, the main reason you want to do is that this helps you to identify day-to-day transactions that is happening in Ethereum blockchain. It's you can able to identify how many transactions that happened, and also this tool will help you to identify how much token value that's being transferred between various tokens that has been transferred from their wallet to their friends or family friends wallet. So this basically helps you to identify and fine tune your marketing campaign, to attract more customers and then to gain more value out of your marketing campaign. So I'm going to switch it to the tool. So I have specified in my previous videos how to come to this page. All you have to do is go to dpa.analytickit.com, or from our analytickit.com website. If we just click login, that will, and then enter your user ID and password, that will come take you to this page. So once you are in this page, on the left side, click the community engagement. And then in the community engagement, you will see all the campaigns that you are running for your customers. Say, for example, this first campaign I started sometime last year, and that is ended. And then this campaign, it is still running. And also in my previous videos, I mentioned how to create a new campaign. It's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just open the new, click the new campaign, and then enter the campaign name and then the contract type, and then the start date and end date for your contract, and then provide the contract address and token address. The most of the time, the contract address and token address will be same. In that case, you can just leave the token address without specifying anything. Or if you want to track more than one contract simultaneously, you can provide the contract address and the another contract address in this token address field. So once you have there, it will take 24 hours for us to go and bring the data from Ethereum blockchain. It's not a real-time integration at this time. We are working on that feature, but eventually we will have this data. Uh, Once you create the contract, instantly you can able to see the data from this dashboard. But for now, you have to wait 24 hours to see the data for the first day. See, I have specified in my previous videos about all these tools, active users over time, total contract calls over time, and then total token transfers over time, average gas used over time, total transaction over time. All these tools will help you to identify how well your Ethereum contract application that you deployed on Ethereum blockchain is performing based on the customers that you are customers, those who are coming to your website. See, I have shown in my other videos various Web2 tools. You can use those tools to analyze how many customers are coming in, from which platform or which link they are coming in, which link, what I mean was, if you post your campaign, your landing page URL to a social media platform, you can able to track whether they came from a Discord channel or from Twitter or from any other social media platforms. And then using this Web3 tool, community engagement tool that we are seeing right now, there are various graphs are available. Each graph gives you an idea of what is going on your Ethereum blockchain. So you can able to combine the Web2 data and the Web3 Ethereum blockchain data to provide unique value to your customers by understanding the 360-degree features of your customers, what exactly they did on your website, on what exactly they did on the smart contract. See, sometimes if you are running a marketing campaign, uh, they will come to your website, they will spend some time, and then they'll go away. They won't purchase the NFTs that you are selling. But so you need to go and collect, we need to go and collect those data so that you can able to identify whether how much percentage of users, those who are coming to your website, are all getting converted into actually buying the NFT tokens, or they are doing something with their with your Ethereum blockchain application that you deployed. That's the main purpose of these tools. So in the token transfer value over time, it's similar to other graphs. We will have the dates. It is the starting of the marketing campaign, and then each day we will go and bring the data for the previous day, and you can see how well your campaign is performing. And from this graph, you can see when we started the marketing campaign, the total token transfer value is close to 200, and then it came down on 12th, March 12th, and then it went up, and then after some time, the 16 to 20, it's pretty zero. There was no transaction happened on your Ethereum blockchain. In this case, there was nothing happened for the token, for the Ethereum contract that we are viewing. So I'm switching back to the presentation. So the main thing, as I shown in the graph, is you can able to find the day-to-day transactions that is happening, and then you can use that information to fine-tune your future marketing campaign to attract more customers. So say you are launching a NFT, you are working on a marketing campaign for NFT token launch. You want to identify and you want to identify how much NFT tokens that was purchased by your customers during the marketing campaign, and also what NFTs they purchased, whether they purchased a high value NFT or the low value NFT or whatever NFTs that you are selling. You can able to identify using the token transfer value over time graph. You can able to see how much value that's been transferred from their wallet to somebody else wallet. All this information you can identify during the marketing campaign. And this helps you to fine tune your current marketing campaign and also your future marketing campaign. So you are running a current marketing campaign for 10 days. You can identify what happened on the first day, and then change. If you got a lot of users, then you continue to do the same actions that you did for the first day for the other days. If you have number of users are reducing, then you can identify what is going on. See, there are a lot of tools I have shown in my other videos in the web too. You can use those tools to identify which page they visited and how long they spent on your website, and then finally what they did on the Ethereum blockchain. So you can collect all these informations using the various tools that we have in the AnalyticKit platform and identify how well your marketing campaign is performing to attract more customers. So the similar way for initial coin offering or for any token sales you are promoting, you can able to use these tools to identify what is going on your Ethereum blockchain and how much tokens they purchased, and especially the token value they transferred between their wallets. So this helps you to identify the market sentiment. Say you are running a marketing campaign for 10 days, and then you are doing various actions like sending a mass email to all your customers and also promoting your blockchain in Twitter and Discord channel. You can identify what is going on each one of those platforms or each one of your marketing strategies you are doing. You may find that people, those who are coming from Discord, are purchasing more token than people coming from the Twitter or people coming from the from your mass email campaign. You can able to identify all these Web2 activities, Web2 marketing activities you are performing, and ultimately what is going on the Web3 Ethereum blockchain. So that's the main purpose of these tools that we put together. And we are working on other blockchains as well, but for now we are supporting only Ethereum blockchain. So as I said previously in the marketing campaigns, so we have various tools. You can find the correlation between these data. Say for example, active users over time. You can able to see for the same dates what is going on in the active users over time graph. That's basically said that how many users participated in the transaction on this particular day. And then this one tells total contract calls, how many times your contract has been used or called due to users activity. You can see that the correlation between these two, it's almost same. Um, so right now, these all these graphs we are what you are seeing is are all displayed separately, but we are working on the features that you can able to interact, get the data between these two graphs, and then identify everything in a single graph. And then it will also, you can also able to change the date range and then the value contract calls range to dynamically manipulate the data and come up with a different visualization through graphs. So we are working on those features. We will be rolling out sooner than later. And see, the main purpose of this tool is to also to identify how well your current marketing campaigns performed, and also able to use that information to plan for your future projects, future marketing campaigns. Again, all this data that we are collecting, and you are making decision based on the data. It's not that you are making a random decision assuming that this marketing strategy worked and then we can use the same marketing strategy in your future campaigns. So since it's all based on the data, whatever the decisions you are making, it's all based on the data science. We collect the data from the Web2 and also from Web3 Ethereum platform, and we combine those data with various tools for you to make a proper decision. And also it helps you to come up with a strategic plan for your future blockchain marketing campaigns that you are going to work with other customers. And also for the same customers, you can able to clearly tell how much money they spent, and how many users came into the website or for their mobile application, and how many users finally purchased the token, and how many transaction happened. All these data points you can able to collect and use it to fine tune your strategy for your future campaigns. So that's all I want to explain in this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Post a comment on YouTube, and also you can visit our website to know more about us, and to visit our platform. Just click DPA, just enter dpa.analytickit.com, or from our website, you can say login and register and start using this tool right away. And please help us to grow the channel and subscribe, and let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you. Appreciate your time.